Intelligent robots have become a new trend in science and technology. As a world-leading technology company engaged in R&D, production, and manufacturing of intelligent business service robots, Pudu Robotics is committed to becoming a global technology solution service provider in robotic applications to improve the efficiency of human production and life. Robots are widely used in different scenarios such as restaurants, hospitals, schools, office buildings, government halls, and so on. As a world-leading provider of commercial service robots, Pudu Robotics has sold tens of thousands of robots to over 60 countries and regions around the world, covering more than 600 cities, and hundreds of after-sales service centers across the globe to provide technical support. KettyBot is our latest delivery and reception robot that features advertisement display, customer guiding, AI voice interaction, and delivery functions. As a low-cost and high-efficiency solution, KettyBot delivers a state-of-the-art experience in high-traffic restaurants. KettyBot, a robot that can suit all your needs.